Hi, this is Summer and this is my sister McKenna. We're gonna do some very funny video. Hear that? Hear that?
That's what we're gonna take a video of. This is our dad. He is a snorer every night, and you cannot even hear him. Or hear yourself, as you like to say.
Wow.
Okay, we just took a video of our father when he's sleeping.
And even though he snores, he is a pretty good dad, but he says that word sometimes.
So, watch my other video. It's about funny faces. And I'm gonna show you a very cool thing I like to call the upward lip. From far away, it looks like a mouth, but it's your tongue. You trick your mom and dad, but don't stay too close, because it won't look real up close, see? You can tell it's my tongue. So, watch my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.
And the next video we're gonna do, well, you know. But in this video, we're gonna do one at a time.
And another video, we're gonna do GS. And play to find out what GS stands for. So, bye!